Yo, what is going on? It is Christmas Eve, so it's Wednesday, December 24th, 11:24 a.m. 11:42 a.m. My bad. And today I did take a trade, which I ultimately went break even on. Hold on, let me fix this over here real quick. This is just gonna be a short thing, like a short video, shit, whatever it's called, in and out real quick. So coming into today, I actually was pretty bearish. I'm not gonna lie. If we take a look here, we have a couple equal lows, even London lows and equal low. Midnight's right here, Asia's right here. We already came up, we swept out Asia high, London high. So all we had left as far as buy side targets was this forward gap right here, which I'm not crazy about. We seen one fail the other day. And at open, let's get to open. We come up, we have like a really weird opening candle. Not weird, but like wicky. Let's call it that because it's not weird because it's wicky. Candle right here, a lot of wicks, and then we just start slowly pumping up, slowly, and then we start going down. When we shit the bed down, we get we create a new price leg. On this new price leg, what do we have? The perfect top of price range. So yeah, we actually tapped this price range pretty well. As you can see, rejected off the golden pocket pretty nicely. And the only problem, what I would say right now, is if we take a look at ES was still pumping. We had that internal SMT. We didn't really have any form of external. Actually, we might have. I think previous day high. I don't think we had taken it yet. Oh no, we definitely had. My bad. I am tripping. Wait, did we? Yeah, I'm tripping. My bad. So yeah, as far as this trade goes, the confluences were equal lows right here at London low. So equal low, London low. We had bearish order flow. We kind of take a look. We started trending downwards. We had the bearish SMT. We had a tap into golden pocket of the price range, OTE, equilibrium, whatever you want to call it, of this price range. We had a pretty decently displacing 1 minute. I honestly thought we would have gotten the 1 minute. Hold on, let me just mark out. Hold on, I gotta sneeze. I know you can barely see it, but I thought we would have gotten the 1 minute on this candle specifically. Then when this candle closed, I'm like, fuck, bro, it's about to dump. And we're not gonna get entry, but it stayed pretty solid. And yeah, then we sat in drawdown, which I wish that this candle right here. So we sat in drawdown. I did set a limit because even though I should have, no, never mind. Low key, these candles are a lot smaller. In my head, it looked a lot bigger. But we immediately got filled anyways. And then we started shitting the bed down after we got filled. I'm like, easy pickings. Now, as far as my TP goes, let's take a look at it over here so we get a better idea of it. Sorry, this was another trade idea I had. As you can see, I placed it at the swing high of the wick because that's honestly what's needed, bro. I'm not gonna lie. What did I put? How many cons did I do? Let's see. 10. Okay, so I did basically one mini. So we did 10, risking 455 at that high. The problem is that, like, this is like right here is around Asia low. So London low, Asia low. So I wanted to at least get 500 in. It wasn't too far below Asia low. Because I didn't want to take a negative trade. 500 would have been perfectly fine with me. However, if we take a look here, where's, oh shit, wrong thing. If we take a look, I had this swing low as my break even, correct? So granted, we would have been able to go break even. Now, what happened here was we created equal lows with it on NQ. On MNQ, which isn't the stronger asset, we swept it. I've seen it not work recently, and I'm tired of bullshit, so I just went break even. I feel as though if we were going to flush, we're just going to flush, especially being as though we created equal lows, and we're right here. Bro, I expect us to just flush. Like, if we're going to run up, we'll run up like to like right here, and then flush down. Which, ultimately, I would have gone break even in general because we would have ran those equal lows, and I would have 100% been break even. Another thing I would have probably, like, another option would have just been to de-risk, put it above this swing high, and let the equal lows take price down. But yeah, I'm really fucking surprised today that it did not deliver to this London low. So yeah, that is my trade. Again, the confluences were equilibrium, OTE, golden pocket, all of that. Bearish SMT, excuse me, 1 minute. Inverse with solid displacement. We had pretty solid bearish order flow. Not fully, like, it was decent. The 1 minute inverse, I think I said that. Equal lows below, session low below, really good draws on A+ rated draws on liquidity. Take these, look, the 2 best draws on liquidity that we can ask for, and we even created more equal lows right here. So yeah, not a trade that I'm mad at all. If I hadn't decided to be risk off for the rest of the year, I probably would have taken this on my funded account. I actually really like this trade. I really like this trade. This is the kind of trades that I'm more willing to that I'm willing more to take now. And let's take a look at what I did, bro. I just entered. Like, I didn't think about it. I just like the setup was there and I just took it, which is, like I said, what I needed to do and what I have been doing, man. But yeah, it's Christmas Eve, so I'm gonna keep this one pretty short. Not gonna ramble jamble. So no trading tomorrow because it is obviously Christmas. So I will catch you on what's today? Wednesday, Friday. Merry Christmas.